Hi, I'm George, a bartender at Raglan Road Irish Restaurant and Pub. We're right in the middle of the mighty festival for St. Patrick's Day, and I'm going to show you how to make a drink called the Paddy's Mighty. First, we're going to take some fresh cucumber. We're going to muddle it up. We're going to add 1.5 ounces of Dingle Gin. This is an Irish gin. We're going to take a 3/4 ounce pour of fresh lemon juice. And our house-made basil syrup, 3/4 of an ounce as well. Fill the glass with ice. Add some egg whites. Give it a good shake. Strain it over the ice. Garnish cucumber, basil. So there it is, the Paddy's Mighty. You guys can try making one of these at home, or you can come and join us here at Raglan Road. Sláinte.